This is a cake. You did an amazing job. Did you make that?
Yeah, I made the cake.
Wow. How do you, is that like a printer or something?
Yeah, it's an edible printer, printed on candy sheets.
I'm the one delivering the cake. We got it originated from the Save movement, which is originally from Toronto, I believe. Don't quote me on this, but from Toronto. Anita started it up there with the Toronto Pig Save, and now there's chapters all across the world. You know, you got like everywhere. So we have the LA Animal Save and Animal Alliance Network, which is also a save, but they just doesn't have the save in it. And recently we had a reporter come out from the LA Times, Gustavo, and he did a whole article on it. And we thought it was going to get published in the LA Times. No. Front page, main article. It's a sign of the times, 2019. This is the year of the vegans. It's only growing. We're marching into forward. March of Silence works with them also. But if you've never been to a pig vigil, come on down. It's amazing community. Once you're there, you feel like family. You feel love. Yes, it is emotional, but guess what? Those animals don't have a choice. So I feel it's our duty to go down there and share some love and water with them, and also go live, take photos, and spread it on your social media. Spread it word of mouth. If you can't make it, then just post it, because the more people that see this, it clicks. And once you click the fact that from slaughter to plate, you'll no longer want to eat animals, anybody, you know? And that's like a lot of these vegans, some people are saying, oh, I'm not vegan anymore. I think if you stop being vegan, you really never were vegan. Because once you're vegan, it clicks, and you know how the animals feel, and you realize that it's cruel and it's not okay, because they're living sentient beings. They have family and friends. Even fish, every living thing does. They just had the first LA fish save. They started in San Diego. They had the San Diego fish save. So it's movements for all beings. This is at the Pig Vigil in Vernon. We're out there Sundays and Wednesdays with LA Animal Save, Animal Alliance Network, with Amy and Ellen. They're wonderful organizers, and they have a great team that helps out. And like I said, it's like family. Once you're down there, everybody's, you know, very kind. It's emotional, so you have to support one another. You can watch it on video, and it may look a little scary, but we have the support of the Vernon Police Department, and we have a relationship with the workers at the gate. So it's all organized. The truck pulls up, we block the gate. They know this is going to happen. The police are there. They say stop. We get 2 minutes. Hence, Vegans for Peace. For March of Silence. We get 2 minutes to give water and love to our pig friends. When we initially walk up, they've been on these trucks for over 2 days. They're dehydrated. No water, no food. Whether it's the heat, the cold, they're enduring all this. They're piled on one another. Can you imagine the fear? They've never been given an ounce of love their whole life. So we have 2 minutes. When we get up there, about 30 seconds, it's initial shock. You know, we say hello, we love you, we love you. We have spray bottles. We squirt a little water on their nostril, on their nose, on their snout. If they're receptive, we give it to them, and they just drink it up. And just like you'll see on the cover of the paper. And it's like giving a person that one hug they'll ever get in their whole life. One hug in their whole life. They're raised in factories. They're packed on trucks. They're taken to the slaughterhouse. They know their friends are being killed right before them. They can smell it, hear it. And people don't realize this is what happens for you to have bacon and ham. Oh my God, it's so tasty. There's nothing more tasty than compassion. So if you're in the LA area, I highly suggest coming down to one. The energy is amazing, and you just really feel the energy, and you get it firsthand. And the pigs know we're there for them. They can feel the energy. So Irvin from Vegan Victoria's, they have a brand new shop coming to LA. He made this cake. He also made the Animal Alliance 1-year anniversary cake. So it's amazing things. I got to the point where being vegan wasn't enough. I had people around me doing activism. So now I'm full on activism, and there's different forms, there's different avenues. I respect everything and everybody, but once you're active and you really spread the word, it gets it moving, because our animal friends, we got to speak up for them, man. And cruelty is real, but we can heal it with love. Peace, everybody. Think about it.